What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Last time I filmed this, I mentioned we got the GT350 wing from my brother's Mustang GT, and I said he ordered the wicker bill from ZL1 Addons. So this is what we got on today. I already went ahead and started getting it mounted just with some painter tape. That way we can get like a mock-up on where we need to drill. You do need a drill bit of, it's 11/64 right here. So we're gonna go ahead and then just start drilling on all these holes. And one thing that's pretty badass and pretty easy is that you got this hole in the middle, which makes it easy for you to line because all you got to do is just match it up to your camera right there. So it's super simple to line up. After that, just tape it up and then just drill in each one of them. Then we got to get to the tough part, which is using the rivet gun to put the rivets in there and then just bolt it up. And then after that, it's really easy because you got to screw the screws in. So literally about like an hour after I filmed the last clip of us trying to rivet the actual spoiler, we had to go to the store, buy a new gun, a rivet gun, because it wasn't the correct thread. But you guys know no mod is ever simple here. No matter how simple it is, there's always something that goes wrong. So right now we already got the new gun. We had to go get it right there, and Efrain's already trying to rivet them in there. And is it working better? Yeah, okay, so it's working better. So now after all 9 holes are riveted, the actual wicker bill goes on, and now it's actually bolted on, and we have a wicker bill installed. So as always, at this point, it's really annoying. I ran out of battery on the camera, even though I have 2 extra batteries, which I didn't bring today. That was the whole point of having extra batteries, but it ran out of battery, so we're back on the iPhone. For some reason, I like the quality of the iPhone anyways, but we already got all the rivets mounted on there. The hardware's on. We do have the hardware here as well. ZL1 does give you the hardware that you need, so you don't have to go to the store to buy any. Simple bolt and a washer that you gotta put in. And I believe ZL1 has different options for the wicker bill. Other than the lens, I think this one comes in transparent as well, but we went ahead and got the gloss black one just because it'll match up the spoiler. But at this point, it's super simple. Just match up the holes with the bolt. I should have done this beforehand. Anyways, stupid. We're gonna actually install what makes the wicker bill the actual wicker bill, which is a transparent lens right here. I think we should have done this before I bolted it up. We should have done it together, but I had to remove those and add these again. ASMR, baby. Look at that. Or open up an ASMR channel. OnlyFans of ASMR for car parts. Look at that. There you guys have it. The wicker bill is officially on the car, and my gosh, guys, this looks freaking amazing. Just check that out. Big change to the rear, and it's actually not that expensive. I believe it's like 180 plus tax, so it'll be like around 200. But look at that, huge difference. Extends what, let's say about, with the lens, about 3 inches from there, from the GT350 one. Looks really nice. Look at all the profiles. That rear, when you check it out from the back, it looks nice, especially ties in well with the taillight tint. So we can officially say we know how to install wicker bills. We know how to work the riv nut gun. So with that being said, I think I mentioned it before, but the wide body might be coming soon, and it actually helps that we have the rivet gun. We already have the tools that we need. We just need to get that grinder, the metal cutter. That way we can cut into the fender, which is gonna hurt a lot, but be tuned for that, guys. But just wanted to show you guys a quick preview on what it looks like. And man, right now it's making me regret it even more of not picking this S550 up. That's gonna wrap it up. I wanted to bring you along the journey now with the transformation of my brother's S550, and right now I'm just gonna help Efrain out with his Fox, because he is like 5% away from like getting the car running. He just needs to bleed the brakes. He got his brake lines in, everything's good to go. So we're just gonna fill up the car with some brake fluid, and it should be good to go. So if you want to check that out, check out his Instagram. It's Forgotten Fox Body. He'll probably have the content there and his YouTube channel as well. But we'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.